Hi, this is Vijay from Lavin. Today I'm going to talk about electrical failures in a CNC machine and what causes them. We all know dealing with CNC machine is quite challenging. Undoubtedly, CNC machines bring in infinite advantages, be it time saving or ensuring great accuracy, but we cannot ignore the fact that they are very expensive, and in case of damage, the repair charges can disrupt your entire budget plan. Used in manufacturing, CNC machines are often subject to a number of electrical damages. Some of the most common electrical causes for CNC damages are power failure. When the power goes out, the CNC machine will often shut down abruptly. This can cause damage to the machine. Short circuit. It usually happens when the insulation of wires become damaged and the electricity flow through these wires to other parts of the machine. Controller failure. This happens when the controller does not send correct signals to the motors, which can cause the machine to move incorrectly or stop abruptly and behave erratically. Unplugging the machine during operation. Unplugging the machine during operation can cause the machine to overheat and potentially damage not only the components but the machine itself. Improper use of power cords and plugs. Improper use of power cords and plugs result in overheating the machine, which causes sparks that can damage your entire CNC machine. Electrical failures in CNC equipment can be caused by a number of other factors, including improper wiring, faulty switches, corroded copper conductors. To prevent these failures from happening, it is important to follow proper safety procedures and maintain your equipment properly. Let me share with you some of the tips to prevent these failures. First one. Make sure all electrical connections are properly marked and sealed. Loose connections can cause arcing and sparks, which can eventually damage the machine. 2. Use high quality wiring and components. Cheap wiring can easily get overloaded, causing shorts and smokeouts. 3rd, keep the machine clean and well maintained. Corrosion can cause electrical problems down the line as well as disrupt the machine's performance. 4. Regularly check for overheating problems. Overheating can cause metal fatigue, which is another common cause of CNC machine failure. 5. Disconnect power before making any repairs or adjustments to the machine. This will minimize the chance of electric shock causing damage. 6. Be aware of possible safety hazard associated with CNC machines, including high voltages. By following these guidelines, you can ensure that your CNC machines are running smoothly and without any electrical issues. If you face any electrical issues or repairs, feel free to contact us and we are there to support you. Thank you.